Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about the conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So conditional formatting is a feature allows you to change the formatting of a range of cells based on set conditions and value. So in here we have a product sales table. We have stores, product type, product price, quantity, and sales amount. So let's do some basic formatting here. And first we choose the range we want to apply the format. And then we select conditional formatting. And for the data range here, we just reconfirm the range we have selected. And for the format rule, we choose greater than. For the value box, let's try $500. And let's do some formatting style. Let's choose this color and bold the text. And we press done. And now every sales amount above $500 will be formatted. So let's try less than for the same range. In the format cell, we choose less than. We give $500. Let's do it like this. And now you have all the cells below $500 are formatted into pink. And next, what if we want the whole line to be formatted based on the sales value? So now let's choose the whole range, and then we select conditional formatting. And for the range, let's keep the whole range like this. And for the format cell, instead of greater than, we choose custom formula. And for the formula box, since we want the whole line to be formatted based on the sales value, so let's type a formula here. We type equal F11 greater than 500. Let's put a dollar sign for column F because we want the condition of all cells refer to column F only. And this time let's change the formatting to yellow. Now you can see if the sales value is greater than $500. The whole line will be formatted. And you can also apply multiple conditional format on the same range. So let's change the condition to above 750. Now you can see only 3 lines are formatted. And now we add another rule. So we select the same range. And in the format cell, we also choose custom formula. And this time we type equal F11, which is the first cell of the range. And this time we want to format every cells below $300. Let's change the format to red color. So just like this, all the cells below $300 are now formatted in red. And now let's put one more formatting rule on the range. For example, we also want to format the quantity based on its value. So this time we choose the quantity column as range. And the format rule, we choose greater than or equal to. And let's put 100. Then we change the color to green. And now you can see we have 3 conditional rules on the same range. But wait, there is something not correct. You can see there are 2 cells over 100 and they did not change the formatting. It's because the conditional formatting rule has sequence. In here we first put the conditional format of value about 750 into yellow. Then we have the second rule that's below 300. So in this case, we can move the quantity rule to the top. And just like this, now you can see the quantity over 100 will be formatted into green first, and then run another conditional formatting, which is about 750, and the last one below 300. And the last thing I want to show you is the conditional formatting can be based on text too. So in here, let's choose the store range. And then we add a new rule. The range will be the store. And this time the format rule text is exactly. And in the value box, we type store 4. Let's change the color to purple. And then we press done. Now you can see the store with the name store 4 is formatted into purple. So this is the basic of conditional formatting and how to apply multiple conditional formatting on the same range.